Sony Bravia Theater System 6. Main features are: hear cinematic surround sound and deep bass with 3 front-firing speakers, 2 rear speakers, and included subwoofer. Get the best streaming experience with support for Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. Catch every word in the scene with dedicated center channel speaker. Multi-stereo enhances your listening experience by playing the same sound from all speakers, creating a room-filling sound boost. Pair with compatible Bravia TVs to control the soundbar from the TV menu and take advantage of Voice Zoom 3 for enhanced dialogue. Use Bravia Connect app to easily control Bravia Theater from your smartphone and change volume, sound profiles, and advanced settings. Enjoy wireless music streaming from your smartphone with Bluetooth technology. Mounting type tabletop or wall mount. Speaker type soundbar. Additional features: Bluetooth, DSE, Dolby Atmos, Voice Zoom 3 with compatible Bravia TV. Antenna location for surround sound systems, for televisions. Control method: remote speaker size 35.7 inches. Specific uses for product: home theater. Controller type: remote control. Built-in media AC cord, batteries for remote, HDMI cable. Rear speakers, left and right, remote, soundbar, subwoofer, wireless rear amp box. Connectivity technology is Bluetooth. Wireless technology is Bluetooth. Subwoofer connectivity technology is wired. Connectivity protocol is Bluetooth. Speaker maximum output power is 1000 watts. Frequency response is 20 Hz. Virtual height channels. Since the compact soundbar doesn't feature physical up-firing speaker drivers, it utilizes Sony's vertical surround engine and S-Force PRO front surround processing to artificially bounce audio, accurately simulating overhead height effects.